Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make one of my favorite snacks, plantain chips, to enjoy with your family and friends. Start by cutting off both ends of the plantain. Run your knife through the plantain skin, creating a cut from the top to the bottom. Try not to cut in too deep, then peel off the skin first with your knife, then your hand. Any remaining peel that is hard to remove with your hand, use the knife. Once you peel the plantain, place it in salty water to reduce the chances of it oxidizing. There are three types of peelers and two ways to slice the plantain. The first type of peeler is the vegetable slicer. Slice the plantain into thin rounds or thin diagonal ovals. The second type of peeler is the multi-purpose grater. Using the peeler side, slice the plantain into thin rounds or thin diagonal ovals. Dry the plantain using a kitchen paper towel or serviette for a better grip. Using the vegetable slicer, slice the plantain lengthwise, either full length or half length. The third type of peeler is the hand peeler. Slice the plantain lengthwise as well. Do not throw away the ones with odd shapes. Here we have both the plantain sliced lengthwise and in round shapes. Heat 1 to 2 inches of oil in a saucepan on medium-high heat. When the oil is hot enough, add in one slice of the chips to check its hotness. Fry several slices of the thin rounds or thin diagonal oval-shaped plantain at a time until golden. Add in a slice at a time. Be careful not to overcrowd to keep them from sticking together. Fry them stirring continuously until they are golden and crispy. Once they are golden in color, remove the chips from the oil and drain on a paper towel. The frying usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes. Once you're done frying all the round-shaped plantain chips, you can now fry the lengthwise shaped ones. Give these ones a bigger room since they are larger in size, and do not overcrowd them as well. Constantly check the oil's temperature to make sure it is not too hot. The same steps I took earlier, repeat them for these chips. The plantain chips are usually crispy yet somewhat soft at the same time, and this is the sound they should have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Till next time, bye.